Welcome to the Longxin Laser channel. This is a fully automated laser cutting and welding production line customized for hardware industry customers. First, bundles of tubes can be automatically fed into the system without manual intervention. Then the high-speed laser pipe cutting machine performs segmented cutting and cutting of the pipe material. Next, the tubes are conveyed to the next station, the automatic chamfering machine, using a stepped feeding system. This automated production line also includes a single-end automatic chamfering machine for tubes. The chamfering process is completed in one step, quickly and accurately. The frequency-controlled automatic feeding elevator operates more stably, eliminating concerns about production stability. The next step is a custom automatic laser welding machine that feeds, clamps, assembles, and welds automatically, ensuring high-precision welding. Next, the rotary vibratory feeder in the production line supplies the inner ring joints, and the pressing process is equipped with a displacement sensor. Finally, laser welding is used to join the tubes with inner ring joints, allowing precise control over welding depth and width, resulting in an ideal finished weld. The production line is equipped with intelligent real-time monitoring, which can detect welding quality in real time, reducing labor costs while effectively controlling product quality. The fully automated laser cutting and welding production line created by Longxin Laser is widely used in the sanitary hardware industry. It helps achieve automated tube forming production, further increasing production efficiency.